In my previous video, I showed how to rivet acrylic sheet to steel to make the acrylic layer. Today we're finishing the piece by mounting that assembly onto a spray-painted steel wall panel to create the final piece. First, I introduced the previously painted steel back panel. Holes were pre-drilled and lined up with the steel tube for the acrylic panel. A leftover rectangular tube that I will use as a support for the acrylic panel while I rivet it to the steel panel just shown. I mask off the acrylic, just leaving the steel exposed just so I can seal off the tube with satin clear coat. After the clear coat dries, I put double-sided tape on the scrap piece of rectangular tube I showed before. Once the acrylic panel is supported, I pre-inserted the rivets and flipped it upside down to get ready to set the rivets. Here is a close-up of setting the rivets. Now let us see that in slow motion. After using a painter's knife to remove the support bar, I was left with sticky mess. Luckily, I was able to remove most of it by rolling it off with my finger. I removed the remaining residue with varnish and paintmaker's naphtha. Naphtha and mineral spirits are the only solvents safe to use on plexiglass besides alcohol. As a quick recap, 1/8 rivets were used. To rivet steel to steel, the holes are exact size. Unlike riveting plexiglass, painter's tape would be better than double-sided tape for tight places. To remove adhesives from plexiglass, only use naphtha, mineral spirits or alcohol. Here is the final artwork. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what art project you are currently working on.